Base price as tested $157,500/$196,500. Powertrain: rear wheels powered by a mid-mounted 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with additional electric motor, front wheels powered by 2 independent electric motors, combined output 573 horsepower, 476 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission with 1-speed direct drive for electric-only operation, all-wheel drive EPA fuel economy 21 mpg city, 22 mpg highway 0 to 60 miles per hour 2.9 seconds top speed 191 miles per hour lateral grip 1.08 g curb. Weight 3,878 pounds. Quick take: let go of the past and face the facts. The Acura NSX is phenomenal. Acura NSX has centered around its supposed lack of soul compared to the early 1990s original. The techno-fascism of a 3-motor electric hybrid may produce a great lap time, but it's a poor substitute for the emotional heft of a Acura NSX 5-speed manual. There's no topping that Ayrton Senna tested classic. Acura NSX pricing and which one to NSX? $159,300. We'd show restraint when adding options to the NSX's spec sheet, as few of them improve its performance. Carbon ceramic brakes are a worthy performance upgrade for a car that is capable of, according to Acura, a 191 miles per hour top speed. Perhaps the best example of why the 2019 Acura NSX occupies a unique place on the supercar ladder is the odometer reading on my tester, well over 4,000 miles. That's fairly high for a car of this caliber, yet it showed zero evidence of having been abused by journalists for its entire life. Everything about it looked and felt tight as a drum, and while it's true that manufacturers take extra steps to ensure press cars are well maintained, that definitely. The interior design is also helped by the update a bit, even though overall it might be the weakest part of the car. The blue trim will be polarizing to some, but that's not the issue to me. It worked with the orange coat in person. Rather, it betrays the NSX's long development, a mishmash of dated and questionable design elements like Honda's push-button shifter, a 7-inch infotainment system from the Civic that still lacks a volume knob, and a curious lack of grab handles for the passenger. And the use of Acura fonts and switchgear will chagrin some, even if they play into the car's friendly usability.